Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some bomb products that you need in your life. These are products that I've tried for a very long time, if not that I've been trying recently and am completely obsessed with, and they are completely worth sharing with the world. So that's going to be my short intro. We're going to go straight into it. And I'm going to start off with these two hair products right here. These are this Shea Moisture, the coconut and hibiscus curl and enhancing smoothie with silk, protein, and neem oil. It says moisturize and curl define thick curly hair. And it's one of those like fair trade companies. So like I guess this is what like the curly community and natural hair community raves about. So I purchased these two. You guys don't know this, but I was actually born with curly frizzy hair. My hair is, I don't know, I feel like there's curl types now. So I really don't know what that curl type is, but I'll try to insert a picture now. So anyways, so I purchased this because Elvis has been using this ever since me and him and I started dating. He was using this one, the curl enhancing smoothie, and I used to use this one a couple years back, maybe when I was like 20, and I went through like a very small curly transition phase until I gave up. Curly hair, achieving your curly hair after you've straightened it for such a long time is almost impossible. You have to pretty much cut all of your hair, or have a lot of patience, and I can't do both. I'm not gonna do both, just because I feel like I miss my curls, but not that much. But anyways, so I've been trying to grow out my hair. I shared with you guys a video on how I've been treating my hair with this hair mask that I'm using. So in growing my hair is at the healthiest it has ever been in a very long time, and it is at the longest it's been in a very long time. So with COVID happening and it being so long, I figured this is the perfect time to lay off the heat tools. It's not really necessary. I really have been styling my hair just for like YouTube and like TikToks and Instagram, but other than that, I really haven't been going out. So there really isn't a need to be applying so much heat to my hair. So I've been trying to lay off the heat, and I figured the easiest way would be to just rock my natural hair. I've had, I don't know if I've mentioned this already, but I've had 3 keratins in my hair over the years. I want to say over the past 5 years, I've had 3 keratins. So my hair doesn't really curl like it should naturally, but it has some curl pattern, a damaged curl pattern. So yeah, I figured I would pick these 2 products up to kind of help me style my hair a little bit and maybe bring some bounce to it. So I love these products. So moving on, going into something that I also am obsessed with, I'll take off the plastic cover. It is my Ardell Wispy Lashes. These are the number, oh, I thought they had a number. Well, they're coming the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pack. And they are so natural and beautiful, and they have such a thin band. I love these because you can get away with wearing these every single day. And if you are a lash girl, like you are getting lash extensions, this is a great alternative that you can do now during quarantine, because I know a lot of things are locked up, and it's always nice to have something like this in hand because you can wear them during the day. You can cut these and wear them like just a half of a lash. You could do that on the corners, or you can use them nighttime. Sometimes I use this for even my more like dramatic looks. And I just love Ardell because you could probably use a pair 10 times before it gets ruined. So it is about like 13 bucks, but it's so worth it. So I love it and I recommend it. The next thing I want to get into are concealers. So the first concealer I'll show is one that I've already used a bunch of times on here, and that is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Coverage, and I am in the color Vanilla. Not really, but like that's like my highlight color, and it just looks like this. It is super thick, kind of reminds me of the Shape Tape, but it's not the same. Like I do prefer the Shape Tape, but this one is really close. So I do like it, and I've been using it nonstop just because I've been too lazy to order the Shape Tape. So if you're looking for a cheaper alternative, here's your guy. Then the next two concealers are from the same brand. These are Maybelline concealers. Actually, no, they're not. They look the same, but they're not. All right, so this one is the L'Oreal Infallible, and this is in the number 2 Creamy Natural. And this one is the Pro Glow, so it's a little bit dewy. I wish it wasn't, but they just did not have my shade in the Maybelline when I looked. So I know it's gonna be pretty similar consistency. So this is what I picked up. So that was the Infallible Pro Glow by L'Oreal. So then the last concealer is the Maybelline concealer in the color Cafe. And I have this one, but it's all the way, like it's completely gone at this point. But I love this one to contour. This is a great concealer, and I love that they blend out and they're super creamy and they last a long time. Like they really don't move. So if this is your actual concealer color and you were to apply this under your eyes, it's gonna last you and you're gonna be super happy. And they're just a fraction of the cost of what something high-end would cost you. So, and I feel like they last a long time. There's quite a lot of product inside. So then moving on to some face products. So this is the new one that I picked up today. One is the Dolce Pink, and it is such a pretty, let me show you guys. It is like this shimmery pink. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. It's so sheer. I feel like that's why so many people like it, because it has like just this nice pink gold glow about it. There's definitely like some peachy gold specks into it that I can see that are shining. You can see that there. So it is like a pink blush, but it has the shimmers of something more corally. So I feel like it's super flattering on a lot of different people and different shades. The next face product is my Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. And this one, I don't think it's light to medium. And it is it's pretty light, so I like it. And it came with like a little applicator, but I tossed it and I don't use it. And it does have a mirror in the back, which is also very nice. If you throw this in your purse, you can just quickly put some of this on, some concealer, and you're good to go. You're good to go. You're looking youthful. You're looking ready. Hosh. You're looking ready, and you are looking like you got all the sleep in the world. But anyway, this one is another shimmer product, and this one actually is very creamy. It has a little bit more fallout than I originally expected, but I'll show you there. You can't even really see it, but it's all there. It's just like a nice shimmer, warm color to the face. So I love products like this when they're kind of sheer, because I feel like they're just so nice for the daytime and days where you don't want to wear a lot of makeup, or when you're trying to go for that no makeup look. Bomb. Next product is something that I've been using. This product is special to me. Like, I feel like L'Oreal True Match, you need to send me a life supply of this product. This was the very first foundation that I ever wore in my entire life. Like, the first foundation I purchased at the age of 15, when I was finally allowed to wear makeup outside of the house, because before that I was able to just like play with my mom's eyeshadows and just stay in the house. Like, I could never leave outside the house with makeup, because, you know, the Hispanic culture, it's very like, when your quinces come, that's when you become like a señorita and you can start wearing makeup. So until you're not 15, you're still considered a baby, a child, and you're an infant. So your skin should look like an infant pretty much. And then you're 15, and then it's like, this foundation, I just love it. It brings me back so many memories. This one is warm, and it is called Sand Beige. So it is number 5, the W5 right here. I have one that's empty right here. This is the 5W as well. It might be a little bit too light. I don't think I'll get any more tan than this, but if I do, I'll just buy like the next number up and then mix them, and then this can be my foundation for after summer. But yeah, I love this foundation. It is so good. This one says it does have SPF 17. It says it's a super blendable makeup. I agree. It's very liquidy, but it blends so nicely, and it makes the skin look natural. like the finish of it is not matte, it's not dewy, it just has like a very nice skin finish. I would say that this is like a light to medium coverage foundation. So I love this foundation as my, like, if I had to go somewhere during the day, or if I'm just putting on a little bit of makeup for work, this is definitely the foundation that I want to wear. The very last product of this video is my Nivea cream, and this thing is huge. It's huge. And I've barely made a dent into it. I found there's a I think she's a dermatologist. I don't know exactly what her title is. I've only watched her videos like a couple times, but she's a very popular skin enthusiast or skin professional. I don't want to discredit her, so I'm not sure exactly what she is, but I know she makes a lot of videos on skin tips and skin products, and she recommended this Nivea cream. She said that it was very close, if not identical, to La Mer moisturizer. So I've been trying it out for the past 2 months, and I love the thickness of it. It's just like a nice thick cream, and it has like, I don't know, it has a nice smell to it too. It reminds me of, if I say, it reminds me of my grandma, but it is a nice smell. I feel like this is the kind of cream that all of our grandmothers and mothers had way back when, and yeah, like it just reminds me of my grandma. It smells so good. But anyways, I love that this, so I did have a La Mer sample once. I had like a little moisturizer, and she was so right when she mentioned that when you apply this cream, it feels very heavy and it feels very thick. But if you take the cream, a little bit of it, and you just rub it between your fingertips and you warm it up, it kind of begins to melt. And then once it starts to get warm with the touch of your skin, and you apply this to your skin, to your face, it just kind of melts on top, and it just feels, it feels exactly like the La Mer, which is something that I did with the La Mer as well. It was very thick, but you grab very little and you massage it, and then you're able to apply it to all of your face. So, yeah, obviously it doesn't have every single ingredient that the La Mer product does, but it's very similar, it's very good, and it's cheap, so why not? I love a mixture of bougie and affordable. I don't want to see the word cheap, because honestly this stuff works. And yeah, woo, I feel like that was a lot. I feel like that was a lot of products, a lot of talking. This video is at 18 minutes, but hopefully I can chop it down to maybe under 15 minutes. If not, please don't kill me, just grab a little snack. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, because I had such a great time making it for you. If you loved it, please give it a thumbs up so that I know to make more content like this for you guys in the future. And if you're not yet subscribed, you know what I'm already gonna say. Go ahead and subscribe. Well, what are you waiting for? Come and join the family, because we're having a good time over here, and I know you want to be a part of it, and honestly I really want you to be a part of it too. So I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, keep safe. I love you guys so much. Mwah, big kisses. Guys, I have a TikTok. Go follow me on TikTok, Lottie.Martinez5, like the number 5, because everything else was taken. So go follow me on there, and go follow me on Instagram, because tomorrow or at some point this week, I'm actually going to be sharing more about these products and doing a whole look with them. Is it like this or like this? You know what I'm talking about. All the TikTokers do it. And go follow me. You won't regret it.